Hi, and I'm here to tell you
I'm high.
Tomb Raider 3. But wait until you see my third game, Tomb Raider 3. Check out Tomb Raider 3, and you'll soon see that Tomb Raider 3 is by far the most exciting adventure yet. Tomb Raider 3, Tomb Raider 3, Tomb Raider 3. Most of you are probably thinking that I'll have new outfits to wear, vehicles to drive, and of course new locations to explore. And you'd be right. But Tomb Raider 3 also features a whole range of new effects that have been specially designed to make the game faster, smoother, more atmospheric, and well, Tomb Raider 3. As well as a completely new landscape system that allows far greater detail than the previous games, Tomb Raider 3 incorporates an amazing variety of new elements, such as multicoloured lighting, snow, wind, Tomb Raider 3 and a new particle system for more realistic flames and explosions, and even rippling transparent water, all designed to give the game more Tomb Raider 3 and the player more satisfaction.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction. 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 Satisfaction.
Push me, and then just hurt me, till I can get my satisfaction.
Tomb Raider 3. Tomb Raider 3, Tomb Raider 3, Tomb Raider 3 and Tomb Raider 1 and 2. Tomb Raider 3, 3 levels, Tomb Raider 3.